Okay, just a quick video on how to fix a broken single pane glass in aluminum frame. So this is the slider, the vent part. I took it out already. Okay, and here's the list of the tools you're gonna need. Drill, you can use a handheld screwdriver. Mallet, you can use a hammer with a tapping block, like a little wood block. Gloves, so you don't cut yourself. So this is a typical single pane window in aluminum frame, and it has a rubber gasket that holds the glass in. So pull the piece of glass out. This is the rubber gasket. It can be gray color or black color, but that's what holds the glass in. The easiest way to measure for replacement glass is to measure your frame. Basically what you can see, you put your tape measure against the corner here and go to this corner here and see how it says 21.5. You only add a half an inch to this measurement on the width and the height. So the glass goes inside the frame about 1/4 of an inch on each side. So you add half an inch total to your measurement. Frame to frame, add half an inch. Also note there's two thicknesses, 1/16 and an 1/8, so you gotta keep that in mind. You can easily tell it when you take the broken piece out. Like I said, there's usually only two thicknesses. Thinner glass, they call it single strength, or thicker glass, 1/8 inch, they call it double strength. Once you have your frame out, there are screws, one on each corner, holding the frame together. So all you need to do is undo just two of them, one in opposite corner. You can use a drill or you can use a handheld screwdriver. So we'll start right here. Save it and go to the opposite side. Now the screws are out, you need to separate the frame. You can use a mallet to gently tap the frame off the glass. That's kind of hard to do with one hand. Take the frame set at the side. Take the glass out of this rubber gasket. And make sure there's no broken pieces of glass inside this rubber gasket, so make sure it's all clean. Check the whole thing. You don't want any broken glass pieces in the gasket, like this one right here. New piece of glass, already have it pre-cut, laid on the table. Put the gasket on it. Now take one of your pieces of frame, Gently put it on the glass. Keep an eye on that gasket, make sure it doesn't roll. And you always want to start at the corner, gently tap it on both sides. And then just continue down the frame. Flip the glass. Do the same thing on this side. Tap the frame on until these corners are connected on both sides where you took the screws out, and put the screws back in. Let's do this side. Always try to start it by hand so you don't angle the screw into the glass and accidentally break it. Alright, and it's all finished. Just clean it and put it back in an opening. And it's all done, brand new.